Oh, we're on the Burning Express. Just gonna do some filming. Now we're just seeing trees.
They just announced that we're gonna be seeing some breathtaking valley or something. That we're gonna be going into a tunnel that's carved out of rock face. I don't even know if you can hear me now because the car's taking the camera.
Okay, it's gonna be carved into a rock.
But I was just gonna say that
Then some guy's newspapers and like, and now we're in a tunnel.
the ticket check.
There it is, there it is. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. Tell me the one. You can see, that's the rock, and then there's the train, there's the beginning of the train. And we're going into the tunnel. That is really cool. That's so cool. Look at that giant. There's the view below. And then we're going into the tunnel.
Double train.
Right? Yeah. We're the last car. We're in the last car, so we get to see how it looks. And that's the other side right there. Oh, and that's where we're coming from. Right over there. And now we are going to be in a tunnel. Everyone say hi.
What I was trying to say is that when they announced that we're going to be seeing this breathtaking view, the ticket checker starts coming through.
Yeah, the ticket checker's coming. But now we're in a tunnel, so there's not much to see. So hopefully, when we get out, it'll be a better view than just this right here.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
So, but that was pretty cool. So technically we're in a mountain. Look at that view.